We are standing on the Kalanki-Nagdunga road, the main arterial route connecting Kathmandu Valley, the capital city of Nepal, to the rest of the country. This road sees some of the heaviest and most diverse traffic in Nepal, from motorcycles, private cars, to heavily loaded trucks and commercial vehicles moving in and out of the valley, day in, day out, without pause. Back in early 2019, AggreBind was applied in the base course of this road as part of its construction. That was over 6 years ago, and what you see today speaks for itself. The road remains in excellent condition. There have been no major repairs, no significant structural failures, and no costly maintenance interventions since installation. Despite the relentless traffic load and the challenging Himalayan weather conditions this route is exposed to, the road has held strong. This is a real-world testament to what AggreBind delivers: a stabilized, durable base course that reduces long-term maintenance costs and stands the test of time even under some of the most demanding conditions imaginable. 6 years on, Kalanki-Nagdunga continues to perform, and AggreBind is a big reason why. Thank you.